First, search for Task Manager on your PC and open it. Once it appears, right-click on Task Manager and select End Task. This makes sure the snipping tool isn't stuck running in the background. Next, search for Settings and open it. Go to System, then tap on Notifications. This helps refresh any system alerts that may be causing issues with the snipping tool. Now search for Settings again and open it one more time. Go to Apps, then tap on Installed Apps. In the search bar, type Snipping to find the snipping tool. Tap on the three-dot menu and open Advanced Options. Here, first click Repair to fix minor issues. Then click Reset and confirm again by clicking Reset. This restores the app to its default state and usually fixes most errors. After that, search for CMD. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. Now type sfc/scan now and press Enter. This command scans your system files and automatically fixes any corrupted ones. Just wait for the process to finish. This step is very helpful for repairing hidden system problems.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.